Now going back to our full skeleton, what I did here in our pure ref, I just scaled, made sure that the bottom of this plate, the bottom of the spine is in the same height as the bottom of the spine here, and the same with the top. So then what we can do here is I will come, place this a bit big. So let me select these two, make them a bit bigger, place it here. Okay, then with Control T, I will come here and I will bring our guy here just to make sure the spine is correct. Because we did at the beginning, and it might be that with the change of proportion of the other elements, change a bit this, and then what I will do is I will go to the spine block out here, and let's see if, let's say, the tip of the coccyx here is this height. We come like this here, this is right, and then here we have the, let me smooth this a bit. Here we have the cervical vertebrae. Adjust this in position a bit. So what I want to do is to get this in the right position, so that it will be easier to accommodate the vertebrae one by one. So once I'm more or less good to go with this, I think we are good with the scale. I will come back again, go to my pure ref, Control T, and I will make this as big as I can, so I can get this. So I need to press Control T again, come again to my ZBrush, and place this here, more or less the same. And again, this most probably won't match exactly with the other one, but come here, just push some things around. And what is important now is we have more or less this space, and then we will take our, press 1 here, select our vertebra, come here, and for this what I would do is I will hide all this. So I will keep the skull, but then I will hide the thoracic arch, the thoracic cage, sorry. Hide the pelvis and all the rest. Then what we will do later, when we finish with all these, we will do a nice exercise that will be like to go one by one and name them. So with this will be a nice reminder for all the names of each of the bones that we created. We're here. And so now we are left with our spine, block out, and our vertebra here. So what I will do now is I will come to draw, and I will store a camera. Okay, so for that I will need to turn on perspective, and I will go to draw and store a camera. So with this I will put side view, there we go. So now if I come here, I move things around, come here, and I'm here, and I want to go back to my original here. I think it's easier. And now for the spine, this is really important because we need to make sure that everything is more or less in the right position. So for this, what I will do is I will even hide this spine, the blockout that we have. I will come here, and we will start one by one to place this. I will start again. I will use this one, just the same one in all of them for now. But if you want, you can create like a bit more like custom made of each of them. Like in my case, I think will be okay with just duplicate it and adjust only this back part here to get everything in the right, let's say, side view, and I will stretch it here. So, but again, that's your call. So I will come here, I will move this out, and I will start duplicating this. And I will start from the top. No, sorry, I'm not going to start from the top. I will start from the top of the thoracic vertebrae. So as I mentioned before, here's these are the cervical vertebrae. That is, it goes from 1 to 7, so C1 to C7. Then you have the thoracic ones that go from T1 to T12. And that this is where we will connect the ribs here. And then you have the lumbar ones that go from 1 to 5. And then you have the sacral that it turns to be these are supposed to be vertebrae, but it turns to be only one full bone. And then you have the coccyx, that is that small bone that we have like here in the corner. So coming here, I will come scale this. I will make sure that this is like this before doing anything. Make sure that this is here and this is in the center. I will scale this. Then we will scale these things around in our top view. But I will come here and just really quick, I will move this. Here. Then I will fix it a bit better. But so after that, I will come here, rotate it. I have the third one. Sorry, I forgot to do the first one. Yeah, there we go. And then here, the fourth one. And then if you see here, we have a space between the vertebrae. And this is okay, because there we have that again. We don't care so much for this, but there we have the disc that if you ever heard people like having a surgery or something, or hurting, like maybe people that do sports or a bit older people that have problem in the disc, and we need to take really care of that because of our position while working, that we don't get any pinching in one of the discs here between the vertebrae, and that could bring you problems in the future. It's not going to help you to know this for while creating characters, but I think it's good to know it. So we come here, and again here I'll go back, delete some of these, and I will bring this one. That is a bit of a nicer shape, similar to these ones. I think the example that we got was from one of these last ones. That has this part here, a bit smaller and not so stretched. So we come here. these the 7 ones, that this is important, that you see here that this is longer than the rest, and then we will see why and how we can see this in the surface. So, but what I will do now is I will come and in a really rough way, I will come with my brush and adjust this. So I have this in position, so I will unmask everything. Sorry, not with the move brush, with the move topological. And we will get this there. Again, most probably, again, if you want, you can do the other shape of these cervical vertebrae and put it right. But again, what we want at this point is just to get everything in position. So this, we should be more or less good to go. And I will come back here, and in our next lesson I will just check like the spine from the front to see how wide it gets in some areas, and then we will be more or less good to go with this.